Hey guys, what's up? In this step-by-step tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change the hue and the saturation of your photo image in Photopea really quickly. So let's get started. So what you want to do first, guys, is upload your image or photo you would like to customize and edit to your project. You can do that by clicking on Open from Computer, for example, on the home screen of Photopea. So let me go with that photo depicting a beautiful red little bird. So what you want to do next, guys, is a left click on the layer here on the right hand side of the layer you would like to change the hue and saturation for. And after that, click on that icon here at the very bottom at this black and white contrast icon. And from that drop-down menu, select hue and saturation. And what you want to do after that, guys, is simply play around with these hue and saturation setups here. For example, if I move that slider here to the right or to the left, I may change the hue for that given photo or change the saturation of it. So guys, simply play around with these sliders till you find the best setup for your image or photo. And that's all to it. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.